Welcome to the How to Heroes channel. Today topic of our video is how to increase sleep quality. If you're someone who struggles with getting a good night's sleep, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 simple tips to help you improve your sleep quality and get the rest you need to feel refreshed and rejuvenated every day. Tip number 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. One of the easiest ways to improve your sleep quality is by establishing a consistent sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Tip number 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Another great way to improve your sleep quality is by creating a relaxing bedtime routine. This can include activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. This routine signals to your body that it's time to wind down and get ready for sleep, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Tip number 3. Reduce caffeine intake. Caffeine is a stimulant that can disrupt your sleep quality. Try to avoid consuming caffeine after 2 p.m. and limit your overall caffeine intake to improve your sleep quality. Tip number 4. Avoid screens before bedtime. The blue light emitted from screens, such as phones, laptops, and televisions, can interfere with your sleep. Try to avoid screens for at least an hour before bedtime, or invest in a pair of blue light blocking glasses to improve your sleep quality. Tip number 5. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Your sleeping environment can also have a big impact on your sleep quality. Make sure your room is cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows, and consider using blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out light. That's it for our video on how to increase sleep quality. We hope these tips have given you some inspiration for how to get a better night's sleep. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below with your favorite tip. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a video on how to live your best life. Good night, and sweet dreams!